All right, guys. Today we got Delores. How you doing, Delores?
I'm okay.
You're okay? Delores, what's going on?
I've been having some back pains for a couple of years, and now it's unbearable. To the top, to the bottom, and like my spine area.
So what did you do for the back pain?
I had a breast reduction in 2019. I've done the chiropractor a couple of times and had a few massages, but it's just unbearable now.
Unbearable? Out of 10, how would you say the pain was when you first came in?
It was 11.
11. Let your head drop. Let your head drop. Let your head drop.
Shit. Yeah, shit.
Just relax, just relax. Let it drop. Good. Yeah. You tired up in here, man.
Yeah, that's what it hurts.
That mid-back area? Just relax. There we go.
Ah, shit.
You all right?
Kick pain. Get well at the Miami Spine Clinic.
All right, guys. Today we got Delores. How you doing, Delores?
I'm okay.
You're okay? Delores, what's going on?
I've been having some back pains for a couple of years, and now it's unbearable. To the top, to the bottom, and like my spine area.
So what did you do for the back pain?
I had a breast reduction in 2019. I've done the chiropractor a couple of times and had a few massages, but it's just unbearable now.
Unbearable? Out of 10, how would you say the pain was when you first came in?
It was 11.
11. That's pretty bad.
Yeah, it's hard for me to sleep.
Hard for you to sleep? Okay, how was the pain now, Delores?
Actually, I feel kind of woozy-like.
Woozy?
Like kind of relaxed my body.
Relax? Okay.
Yeah.
I can ride with that. Woozy, I was a little scared.
No, not woozy, but my body feels woozy, like relaxed.
Okay.
And as far as pain, it's just right now, like to the top is tight and my spine feels tight. But so pain is maybe like a 5.
From 11 to a 5?
Yeah.
And I didn't touch it, guys. So we did a lot of different modalities. We did some stem, we did some ice. Stay away from heat. Guys, I don't know how many times I gotta say this. Stay away from heat. Unless it's deep heat. Deep heat works good. Surface heat, not my friend at all. It also could make the inflammation even worse. And you've been adjusted before?
Yes. I actually got adjusted a month ago and it kind of made the pain worse.
Wow. All right. Let's hopefully we don't have those same results.
Okay.
We're not
Hopefully.
not gonna say what she went to. But I don't know. So leave it alone. I'm gonna leave it alone. She didn't come here. Any headaches, Delores?
I suffer from migraines.
You suffer
I
from...
tore my TMJ.
All right, so she got some TMJ issues and migraines. Your neck feels very stiff, man. Especially on this left side. Right side too, Jesus. You're gonna come in here. Just relax for me. Let your head drop. Let your head drop. Let your head drop. Let your head drop. There we go.
Shit. Yeah. Shit.
Was it like that at the other place?
No. But I thought I wasn't talking about other people.
I'm sorry. I got a bad habit of that. I got a bad habit of that. I'm working on me.
Okay.
I'm not gonna be petty 2024.
Okay.
I'm lying. Let your head drop. Let your head drop. Let your head drop. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit more. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Just relax. Just relax. Let it drop. All right, good. Right there. You tired up in here, man.
Yeah, that's what it hurts.
That mid-back area?
Yeah. Around my tight neck area, all this tight.
We gotta work on strengthening this area, making it stronger. Posterior deltoids are weak too.
Yeah.
Just relax for me. Just relax. Let me know if anything's uncomfortable, okay? Just relax. There we go. That right there, huh? All right, just relax. Still feel like up here, man. Feels like a brick. I'm trying to move that another way. Lift the right leg up. Straight up as much as you can. There we go. And down. Back up again as much as you can. All right, switch. Whoa. That's the most you could do it? All right, cool. Okay. Uncross. Let's have you lift that leg up. All right, still unstable. Let me have you lay on your side and face me. Testing it out. How you feeling?
I feel good. I feel looser. Ah, shit.
You all right? Mm-hmm. On your back. Just relax. Good. How are you feeling? Mm-hmm. All right.
It seems like I'm working. It seems like I'm working.
I'm here to work, man. As long as it ain't paperwork. Just relax on me.
Like this.
Just relax. Good. Come on up. Just relax. Just relax.
Is it me or does it seem like everything on the right is cooperating?
You left it right.
Okay.
Good. Yeah, maybe. Stand on up.
That's my shooting hand and everything.
Oh, you shooter. Oh, you the shooter. I forgot. This is shooter right here, guys. Just in case y'all need somebody put down.
No.
Anybody talk back,
No.
take them out.
No.
Anybody talk to me in the comments wrong,
I got you.
she got me.
I got you.
She in the ground. Just playing. Not in the ground, right? Just gonna hide in my back.
I got you.
All right, cool. How you feel?
I feel good. I feel like I'm standing up straighter.
Mm-hmm.
Because usually I feel like I walk like this and I stand like this. This how I feel.
Right.
But I feel like I'm standing up straighter.
All right, good. Now we know where to go, right?
Listen, the hype is real.
The hype is real.
And it's worth it.
It's worth it. I'm charging double.
It's worth it. Every dollar.